Hi everyone, so on Saturday I posted an unboxing of ColourPop's new collection, and keep watching if you want to see swatches and to see how I made this look. I'm going to start with the packaging of the Rainbow collection. This set is called About Hue, and I only got 4 out of the 5, so something got lost along the way, but I've been meaning to pick up their brush sets. I have their powder brush, which I really like, so you know, I think the quality is really good, especially for the price. They're super affordable. So next is the face milk set. It's called Head in the Clouds. There's 5 in here. This is like one of the things I'm most excited about in this collection. I've been wanting to try Fourth Ray Beauty. It's a ColourPop's sister brand, and I tried the watermelon this morning, and the watermelon smells really good. So this is Acai. I feel like everything I've tried so far has been really good. So I'm gonna keep testing them out. Let me know if you guys have tried these already. I'm gonna probably put like a few drops on my hand so you can see how the texture is. So let's start with a new one, the Acai. So it's really creamy. It's not like liquidy like I feel like a lot of other kind of like a serum, but a lot of other skincare, like similar skincare products, they're very liquidy, you know, so kind of feels like watered down. Like this doesn't feel watered down at all. That's what it looks like. So next is the matcha. This one is a turmeric. Try this one. So this one is the papaya one. And then the last one, but not the least, is the watermelon. I think this is my favorite scent. Let me know which one your guys' favorite is. Okay, so this next set is the mascaras. It's called Color Me Happy. So here are the colors, and here are the final swatches. Let me know which colors are catching your eye, which one you guys like. So this is the eyeliner set. It's called Chromatic BFF Cream Gel Liner Bundle. I actually tried the blue one and the purple one yesterday. It's my first time trying these, and I was really impressed. The blue one was still in my waterline even after we got back from BeautyCon, and we got back like super late. So yeah, this is pretty long lasting, especially for, you know, like a pencil liner. I'd recommend. How pretty are these colors? Can you see that? It's really neon, which I love. Look how smooth that glides on. So here are all 5 of the swatches. This one is called the Rainbow Road set, and it has Super Shock shadows and Jelly Much shadows. So it's a foursome, so there's 4 in there. That's what it looks like inside. I think this gold one might be my favorite out of the set. What do you guys think? So that's it for the Rainbow Road set. This is what the final swatches look like. Okay, so last but not least, this is the Rainbow palette. There is a lot of shades in here. There's 24 total. So I'm just gonna try to go through these swatches really quick. And then I will post a picture on my Instagram. I like it because it's a magnetic palette, so you could, if you run out of one shade or, you know, a few shades, you could just purchase those. So here are the pinks really quick. Here are the oranges. See, it's very blendable. It's very buildable too. So these are the greens. These are the blues. Okay, so what I just realized about the blues is they do stain. So make sure to put down a base. These are the purples. Okay, so this is it. It's the final look using the ColourPop Rainbow Palette. Let me know what you guys think. I don't do rainbow looks much, so I'm not sure, not a pro or anything, but let me know if you guys like it, what you think about it. And Chuck wants to say hi. Okay, come on. Come on, go say hi. You wanna go say hi? Yeah, do you like it? So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the thumbs up. And don't forget to enter the giveaway where I have some ColourPop goodies. It's gonna be on my Instagram page. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.